Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE S100 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while home screen with our finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's hold for a while one from the widgets and move it to our home screen by this way. If you want to resize the widget, hold it for a while and after that you could just make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove the widget from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. You could also just tap to undo to don't remove it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.